Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Monday, January 26th. Hope you had a nice day of trading today. Let's get right into the news. So markets just closed today with solid gains across the board as big tech surged ahead of this week's monster earnings and FOMC decision, with the S&P 500 climbing 0.6%, the Dow adding 0.65% or 319 points, and the Nasdaq rising 0.5% as traders positioned for the most critical earnings week of Q4 season, featuring Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, and Apple all reporting within 72 hours from now. The rally today was led by mega cap tech stocks gearing up for Wednesday's after-hours earning blitz. Apple exploded 3%, Meta surged 2.1%, and Microsoft gained 0.9%, as investors bet that these AI spending giants will justify their sky-high valuations after Intel's manufacturing disaster last week torched 13%. Tesla bucked the trend today, falling 3.1% ahead of its Wednesday report as EV demand concerns persist despite Elon Musk's promises of a robo-taxi revolution. But the real headline is precious metals going absolutely vertical, with gold blasting past $5,000 per ounce for the first time ever, and silver skyrocketing above $107 to smash through triple digits as Trump's geopolitical chaos machine keeps firing on all cylinders. Over the weekend, Trump threatened 100% tariffs on all Canadian goods if Ottawa cuts a trade deal with China, adding fuel to an already explosive safe haven rally driven by his Greenland threats, the Venezuela military operation capturing President Maduro, and the ongoing criminal investigation into Fed Chair Jerome Powell. The dollar is getting crushed against major currencies as confidence in U.S. assets evaporates, with gold up 1.4% to $5,058 and silver jumping 4.5% in a single session. Platinum hit record highs above $2,700, and palladium surged 26% year-to-date as investors scramble for anything that isn't tied to Trump's policy whiplash. The precious metals complex hasn't seen action like this since the 2020 COVID crash. This week will bring the Fed's two-day meeting concluding Wednesday with a near certainty of holding rates steady, but Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Trump could announce his pick for the new Fed chair as early as this week to replace Powell when his term expires in May. Markets are also watching for renewed government shutdown risk after Democrats threatened to block a $1.2 trillion funding bill over Homeland Security spending, because apparently we don't have enough chaos already. Tuesday kicks off the earnings tsunami with United Health, Boeing, GM, Texas Instruments, and Northrop Grumman before Wednesday's big tech apocalypse. The critical question: can Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla prove AI capital spending is translating to actual revenue growth, or will we see another Intel-style meltdown that sends the Nasdaq into tailspin? We'll find out in just a couple of days. So until tomorrow, take care everybody, have a good night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.